welcome to my channel. I'm TB from TB's Life. So I have been on a journey and I'm so excited to bring my next recipe to you. Hi, this is TB and this is my journey to a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so let's get started. So if you are new to this channel, I hope you will enjoy this video and please hit the like and subscribe button. If this is what you're into, I would love to have you. So I have some coconut water, I have some fresh spinach, I have some fresh blueberries, and I have some raspberries. As you can see, they are frozen because for me, they make the best smoothies. But I'm going to get into what type of smoothie I'm going to show you today. So this one is all about anti-aging because I am in the 50s club and I am really trying to slow down that process. So this is a fun way and healthy way to kind of help your body. Okay, I'm going to start by pouring 1.5 cups of coconut water into my container. I have my 1/2 cup here. Now I'm going to take 2 handfuls of my fresh spinach. So you can use whatever type of greens that you want. For this video, I am going to use spinach, but as long as you have some type of fresh green, you can use whatever type of green that you want. Okay, so now I'm going to blend my greens and my coconut water together. Okay, so it should be nice and smooth and well blended. And then you start adding in the fruit. So I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of blueberries. And I'm going to pour it in. And then I'm going to do 1/2 cup of raspberries. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I do like to freeze them because you can preserve them longer and it helps your smoothie stay nice and chilled without adding any ice into it. Okay, so now I'm going to blend in my blueberries and raspberries to get them nice and smooth. Okay, looks nice and smooth and creamy. And now we're going to do the taste test. Okay, so now I'm going to add my top and my straw. And this is the fun part, tasting it after it's finished. Yes, 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 yes. So I hope you stay tuned for more fun recipes. As you can see, it is quick and easy, and it is very tasty as well. Well, this has been my tutorial on how I make my anti-aging smoothie. So I hope you will join me for the next one. Take care.